Monopoly Go Best Strategy. Hi guys, in this video we'll learn more about the best strategies that you can apply in your own Monopoly game on your mobile device. This game actually revolves around the balance between investing wisely and generating a steady stream of income. You need to focus on acquiring properties of the same color group whenever is possible. This means that for each Monopoly board that you have, you need to have a steady stream of income so that you'll be able to complete the board and you'll be able to gain rewards and level up fast as well. This will actually boost your rental income at the same time as well. You need to try upgrade properties to their maximum level, which significantly increases your rent. You need to make sure as well that you collect a lot of shields so that you will be able to block your opponent's attack. You can increase your shields by using multipliers when rolling a dice consistently, and when you land one of the tiles with a shield token on it, it actually will multiply depending on how much the multiplier is. The next one here is you need to make use of the tournaments and milestones so that you'll be able to earn more income and you'll be receiving gifts as well, free gifts like cash, stickers, as well as dice, so that you will have more dice and you have more chances to roll and play the game. So here you actually can earn more income, and this would help you build your properties fast, which would help you level up fast as well here on this game. And lastly, you don't need to hoard cash. You need to invest it in properties and upgrades to maximize your earnings over time. With a mix of careful planning and optimistic decision making, you can dominate the game of Monopoly Go. So what you can do here when playing the Monopoly Go is that you just simply make use of the free gifts that you can take. There's actually the quick ones where it gives you different tasks, as well as the gift, a free gift from the store here when playing the Monopoly Go. And that's basically it. You just need to keep on playing Monopoly Go and you will definitely be able to level up fast as well. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Those are the best strategies that you can use for Monopoly Go. Hope you liked the video we shared to you today, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!